Good morning, everyone. Welcome back into my kitchen. First of all, I want to say that we are okay. Everybody is okay in my house, my family. We are very lucky. We are, I think, 40 days now of quarantine, but we are getting used to this new life. Okay, today I'm here to repot this huge ludisia that I have. I want to repot it because it's too unruly and I want to shape it. And also I want to see what's in the pot after 2 years without changing the pot. So let's see what's here. Okay, can you see the roots? I think she's perfect. She was potted apparently in dirt, simple dirt. And I don't want to change too much the media, but just to repot into a bigger pot. And unfortunately I just have this one, which is not very good, I think, but it's the only one I have and I can't go anywhere to buy a new one. So I am putting some bark, orchid bark, the last that I have, in the bottom. Add the dirt, the soil that was already in the pot. Let's see. Okay, and I also want to cut the branches, some of them, and put them back in the soil in the center. So let's see. First of all, I want to add some more dirt around the edges. I just have a regular potting mix that I'm adding around the pot, and of course it's falling from the holes. However, this is what I can do. Maybe when the quarantine is over I can buy a new pot and just move it from one pot to the other without disturbing the roots too much. This plant is very rewarding, you can see. She's growing very well. She flowered and she had 5 spikes this year. I water when it's quite dry, not completely maybe, but quite dry. I just lift the pot and fill it. If it's light, I water. If it's still very heavy, I don't water. Okay, now it's quite filled with soil. Okay, I think I want to snap a few branches like this here. I want to snap it. Okay, I will snap it here. And just put it back. So I will just stick it in the center and I think it's going to root quite easily. And maybe shape it, I can shape it differently, I hope. Because you can see that it's all curved. Okay. And maybe the branches will lift. I don't know. Okay. This one too. I'm going to snip it. And put it back. You have to make a hole and try to stick it so that maybe the branches, the new branches will grow upwards instead of falling down. I think I have to stake it. I also will cut this one. And maybe this one too. And just stick it back here. Okay. Wow, it looks much tidy now. I hope the branches that I cut will took off very soon. This I will cut here again where the node is, so that I think it can shoot again. Okay. I'm going to add more soil. So that everything stays in place. I would like to have it more bushy and more compact. I don't like the branches going everywhere. I think it's quite okay now. I don't want to leave any gaps here because this is a terrestrial orchid, so she needs her roots very well in the soil, and I think I need to water it quite often now, because this pot has holes, so it will dry out quicker. But I really hope that I can find a better pot as soon as all this madness is over, so she can stay in a better pot because she deserves it. Okay, so stay well everybody, stay home and enjoy your plants. Ciao!